In this video, I'll show you around the flashcard feature. Flashcards are a powerful tool for building vocabulary, storytelling, prompts for brainstorming, sequencing, and lots more. Our library currently has over 2,500 flashcards and counting that are both digital and printable in a variety of formats. We will continue to add flashcards every month. Let's take a closer look. To get to the flashcard library, click School Library. Then click Vocabulary Builder. Click Category Name here at the top to see topics and themes that you can select from. Note that there are two sections in this. Vocabulary Builder categories and topics are at the top. At the bottom, there is another section called Storyboard. These are theme sets that can be used for creating digital storybooks, but of course, you can also print them and use them in class in the traditional way. To learn more about how to create digital storybooks, please watch the tutorial. When you hover over the flashcards, you will notice several icons. To view the word, simply click the turn icon at the bottom of the flashcard. At the top, if you click play, you will hear North American pronunciation of the word. When you click the magnifying glass icon, you can view the card full screen. This is perfect for displaying on your computer, tablet, a big screen, or any device in your classroom without having to print anything. You can quickly and easily scroll through the cards. Finally, you will notice the check mark. Teachers can create folders of flashcards for easy access for classes. Scroll through the flashcard pages by clicking the number at the bottom of each page. You can also create and assign flashcard folders to students. To create a flashcard folder, just select the cards that you want to save. Click Save in the top right corner. You can then choose to either save the cards to an existing folder or create a new folder. To create a new folder, just click this tab at the top. Enter in a folder name and folder description. Click Post. Once you have saved the folder, you can easily access them by clicking My Folder. Here, you will see the folders that you have saved. To print flashcards, click the Print button at the top right after you have selected the cards you want to print. Then choose the color, or black and white, word on the front or word on the back, or no word at all, and the number of cards that you would like to print on each page. At the bottom, you can also drag and drop the flashcards in the order that you want them to appear when printed. This is great for making fast storyboard activities for students. Click Print and you will have a PDF ready for printing. Note, storyboard and storytelling are two different features. To learn more about storytelling, please watch the tutorial. To assign flashcards to students, click Assign Flashcards to Student. Click the folder that you would like to send them. Notice that you can send the folder to a group of students, or you can select and personalize the list if you choose. To create a student group, please watch the How to Create a Student Group tutorial. Click Post. This is from a student view. Your students will be notified that you assign them a vocabulary list as soon as they log in and see their notifications. They can view them by clicking Resource Library and then Assign Flashcards. Students can play the audio for each card, create flashcard folders, display full screen, and create digital storybooks. Students can also bookmark unknown flashcards and instantly view them by clicking the bookmark icon at the top. This is a student-only feature. That's a wrap for this video. Watch our other tutorials to learn more about all of the other powerful features in Pocket Passport.